5 tips for cleaning your semi-truck seats. We all feel a little more together when our work environments are spick and span. And when you're a trucker, your semi-cabin isn't just your office, but your home away from home. But cleaning your truck seats isn't as easy as wiping down your dash. Washing them the wrong way could result in bigger problems than you were trying to solve in the first place. Here are 5 expert tips for cleaning your semi-truck seats. Number 1. Remove surface dirt. Thoroughly vacuum the interior of your cab, including your truck seats. Number 2. Deep clean fabrics quarterly and let fabrics dry. Use a hard bristle brush and just enough product to dampen the fabric. After scrubbing, let the upholstery sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing the fabric with water and blotting it dry. Number 3. Use the right products for leather or vinyl. For leather, clean your seats with a cloth soaked in water and cleaner made for leather seats. Then apply conditioner to prevent drying and cracking. For vinyl, you can try baking soda or gently using a dampened cloth and a mild dish detergent. Number 4. Consider a detailing visit. Once a year or so, bring your truck to a professional detailing service so they can clean the areas you just can't reach. Number 5. Don't smoke. Nicotine stains are extremely challenging to remove, as are the residue and odor that smoking leaves behind. There you have it. 5 tips you can start using today to keep your truck seats in top-notch condition. If you're in the market for a replacement truck seat or any accessories or gear that can help make your truck cleaner and more comfortable, Suburban Seating and Safety has hundreds of premium products. Browse our website or call us at 844-727-7328 to learn more.